the time you had the best body of your life? High school. In high school? How good was it back then? I was fit for the world. BMX.
Maya. Maya.